you can see, did a thing. Splurged on this. So we're gonna pop this bad boy open and see what's hiding inside. I ordered this a week ago. Not even a week, I don't think. I ordered it from Moto Million. Shout out to Manny. This is the full system, full titanium system. And it is on sale right now on his website. So it normally, this is usually around closer to $5,000. Some websites it's, $4,900 for it. Manny's got it on his site right now for $3,900. And then if you use, there's discount codes you can look up from like other YouTube guys. So I saved another $200. I ended up getting it for $37, free shipping. So yeah, I will be installing this myself and recording it to help. These are the so yeah, $3,700, full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system. For the 959 Panigale. Yeah, so like I said, I'm installing it. It's gonna be fun. Never done it before, but I think I can do it. It's not easy, but it's also, I'm more than capable of doing it myself instead of spending 8+ hours at the dealer at 100, maybe more an hour. So it's like another $1,000 to go to the dealer. The only thing I don't have is the fuel mapping stuff, like the tune for it. So you can hook it up without it, but it won't be running at its peak performance. That it won't be making the horsepower probably that it could be. Once it gets tuned, which I'll bring it in for that, then it will be. But either way, it's gonna look sick, and I can't wait. So yeah, let's open some of this up. I'm gonna wear gloves when I touch the titanium, because if you get like oils on it, when this stuff heats up and blows in, it changes colors, like bluish purple. And if you get oils on it or anything, even from your skin, it can throw off the way it blows in. I'm obviously gonna wipe down everything that you're gonna see. I'm gonna wipe down. It says to use WD-40 to do that, but let's see what this looks like. Oh wow, that's beautiful. This is back. This goes in the back. This one's the pipe that you see on the side of the bike. Comes out of the side fairing, like the lower side fairing. Yeah, this has like little marks on it. I'm gonna wipe all this stuff down before I put everything on. But this is the side pipe. O2 sensor goes here. These welds are absolutely insane. Like, it's so nice. This is gonna be sick. I cannot wait. So you got, this is the pipe that is under the seat, under the heat shield that's under the seat, which I now will have that heat shield in carbon fiber. This saves, it says it saves, I think over 10 pounds. Takes 10 pounds off the bike. So I'm not gonna be weighing everything. There's other people that do that. If you don't believe it, go look it up. But that's what it says on the website. So this is the pipe that goes under the seat. It's beautiful. That's hardware, I think. These are the header pipes. I believe the bigger one is the back. Maybe not. Wow. Wowzers. So, this is the other header pipe. Adds horsepower and torque. I think mainly like throughout the mid-range of each gear, around 5,000 RPM. And yeah, it's crazy. This is all hardware, I believe. And more directions. There's brackets, exhaust springs, spacers. Bolts. Akrapovic copper paste. Clamp. All this stuff over here. I'll get close-ups. Show you all the welds. More directions. What else? All right, so this is the big best part. The best part. I can't wait to put this on. Really careful you don't scratch anything. This is the best part right here. Oh yeah. This thing is so nice, it's not even, it's insane. Absolutely insane. I have the front, I don't know why it's still back ordered, but, or something, I gotta email him, but I have the front fender coming in carbon, gloss carbon, and I want to get the rear one too, and then that's it. I'm done. Done spending money. I need a new tire. Other than that, I'm done. My focus now is, after this, is to get that scrambler. Me, Nick, and Germ gotta get that scrambler done. actually absolutely insane. Give you a close-up look at that. It's amazing. So yeah, that's what you spend $4 grand for right there. Insane. Like I said, I'm putting this on and I'm going to record it and I will go into detail. There's really not many videos on YouTube that really explain it. There's one decent one, but it's also really long and there's a lot of like other talking, and then other than that it's just time lapses. So I'm gonna, I'll look up, well, I'll announce all the torque specs, everything. This way if someone else wants to do it, they can use the help if they have any questions. I mean, look at the welding on this. This is gonna look so sick. So this pipe you see, this will heat up all through here. You'll see that. Obviously you see these and they're beautiful. You see this under the seat. That's pretty much it. Can't wait. Forgot to pull this out. This is the new heat shield. And it is amazing. So nice. I think this alone saves like over £1 from the stock one. The stock one's a lot wider than this, so you see more of the exhaust now underneath, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, that's pretty much it though. I will probably be doing this, won't be this weekend because we are going to take the motorcycle course thing for our licenses. And then the following week is 4th of July, so it probably won't be till after that, but I'm like, I already want to do it, obviously. It's sitting here and now I just want it on. But yes, definitely stay tuned. Say two weeks maybe, we'll be starting this. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.